What's up, YouTube? This JB back with another Mustang video. If this is your first time on the channel, this build series is about my 1967 fastback build. I'm doing a pro touring build, so if you like muscle cars, Mustangs, Ford, Chevy, Mopar, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you know when I post up new videos. So recently I've been doing a bunch of unboxings up until I get ready to get these parts installed. But today's video, I wouldn't call it unboxing, but it's I say I'm revealing my rear end and some parts that go with that. So let's go ahead and get this video started. Alright, so first, let's start off with my rear end. So I ordered basically all my my rear end, my third member, and my brakes from Quick Performance. Quick Performance was very helpful, and the guy Brian is who I spoke with, and he was hella helpful. So if you need to order some rear end stuff, I recommend that you contact Quick Performance and ask for Brian. But right here, I have a custom 9-inch. I have it narrowed 2 inches on each side. I have a filler and a drainer on here. And these brackets that you see go with my TCI rear suspension. So I had to basically send these parts to Quick Performance, and they basically put those on the rear end for me before they shipped it. And I also had them have it powder coated before they shipped it to me. So as you see, the theme as you saw, like with my parts that I got silver, so basically all my parts under the car I'm going silver. So you see some stuff here, some stuff here. Basically got it all powder coated silver. So that's my rear end. And then here's my third member. I have 350 gears with TrueTrac Posi. So that's that. And here's my 35 spline axles. As you see, don't worry about the spider webs, but Quick Performance, they took care of that for me. But there's my axles, custom 9-inch rear end, third member with 350 gears, TrueTrac Posi. And once I start, once I buy my engine and stuff, you'll see why I went with 350 gears. So that's that. But then I got this other box over here I need to open. That's from Mustangs to Fear. So let me go ahead and open that up real quick. So what I have here is this first. These are just some parts, I guess. But some frame stiffeners. So these will go behind the fenders just to help strengthen things up. And then I have this jack pad for TCI. and it has tie downs right here. So the reason for that is since I'm doing the Coyote swap, the shock towers will be gone when I, put in the TCI front suspension. But then also, these will be cut out right here. So that jack pad right there will basically strengthen that back up in the front. And then the frame stiffeners will be welded inside under the fenders. So that's that. So stiffeners, jack pad, third member, rear end, and axles. So that's that. So showed you all that. So now it's time to get all this stuff installed. So I'm gonna work on getting that done. But for y'all, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know when I post new videos. Comment below, any questions that you have, anything that you like. But until next time, all right, peace.